Hello friends, here comes my new video on Big Basket. Now this is basically based upon the advertisement analysis of Big Basket. I have made 5 S of marketing, like the way you have studied 4 P's of marketing, 4 C's of marketing, 4 A's of rural marketing. Similarly, based upon the advertisement analysis of the company or the private brand called Big Basket, I have created 5S of marketing. Why? Because these days, these 4 P's and 4 C's and 4 A's, they have become obsolete now. So if you look at the modern marketer, or especially in the retail as a private brand in this particular category, if you look out the strategies for these players in the market, you will find these 5S are really important. So let me take you through the advertisement which has come in today's newspaper called Hindustan Times, and I've observed this particular ad and I have made these 5S which are very important for any private brand in the market. Now if you look at the first S, that is the scale that I've spoken about. So looking at the scale as an S in marketing, it is very important for entrepreneurs, for private brands, for manufacturers, for channel captains, that they take mileage from the concept called scale, and therein they are actually providing the value through lower cost. So if you look at the scale for this company called Big Basket, as you can see, the economies of scale they have achieved through 40,000 plus products. 40,000 products. So if you have got higher number of products, you will definitely have higher brands, then higher variants, and then higher markets, then higher customers, which will definitely lead to economies of scale. So if you talk about this scale here, you will find shop by category. So you will be able to see multiple category of products here through this website. As I would like to scroll down through here with a lot of sales promotions and bank offers and popular categories, fruits and vegetables, daily staples, snacks and drinks and beverages. So cleaning and household, beauty and hygiene. So likewise, you have achieved this scale with respect to the products, with respect to the brands, with respect to the categories, with respect to the markets. So this scale as an S is very important. That was the first S that I would like to give it to my student. The second one is, here is the schemes in marketing. I mean, these days marketeers are supposed to create different schemes that lures the customers to buy at the earliest. Now this scheme is in the form of maybe buy one get four, maybe 60% off, maybe through cross sell, through basket selling, through package sell, through cashbacks. So this marketing should be done through creation of schemes as the second S of marketing. The third one is, these days in the COVID pandemic, as you have observed, the another S which has gained popularity is safety and hygiene is very important these days. So you need to promote your products and brands and your philosophies using safety as a tool or strategy in your marketing. Now the fourth S is the save. How you make sure that your customer saves while opting for your products and services as compared to your other competitors in the market, and thereby gaining customer value and satisfaction, which would further lead to customer relationship management. So this benefits and saving is very important with respect to the customers. Now the saving can come from the entrepreneurs, can come from companies, can come from organized retailers, from dealers, or using bank cards, using payment apps. I don't know. At the end of the day, as an entrepreneur or a marketer, you have to make sure that you are giving the best deal to your customer, which is very important as an S in marketing. Last but not the least, that is the fifth S in marketing, that is the satisfaction. So how you achieve this satisfaction as a philosophy of the entrepreneur is very important. So if customer is not satisfied, you need to provide the provisions in the form of easy returns and refunds. As it is mentioned here in this ad also, easy returns. So this satisfaction is very, very important. And if you take along the satisfied customer testimonial with you, believe me, in the longer run, you would be able to generate a good customer base and collaboration, which will further lead you towards success and growth with respect to your company sales. Now, with this, I would like to end this particular video, and I request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please press the bell icon button and do share and like my videos. Thank you very, very much.